Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll teach you how to export issue.NET table to Excel using jQuery. So let's start. So the very first thing, I'll open Solution Explorer. Now I am showing you the scripts folder in the project. As you can see, it has the jQuery table to Excel plugin, which will be used to exporting the issue.NET table to Excel. Let's move to the ASPX page where we'll start the programming. So now I am creating issue.NET table. I'm setting the ID for the table, inside which I'll add some fields. Now this is the fixed section, that is the header row of our table. So here I am making use of header element of the table, and I'll be creating 3 columns: customer ID, name and country. Now here I'll be adding another table row, and I am specifying some fields which will be displayed here. So as you can see, our table is also ready. Now we'll start the second part, which is exporting the issue.NET table to Excel. So now I am adding a button. I'm setting the ID. On the click of this button, the issue.NET table will be exported to Excel. Now I'm inheriting 2 JavaScript libraries. The first one is jQuery and the second one is table to Excel jQuery plugin. Now I'm adding script tags within which we'll write the code to export the issue.NET table to Excel. Inside the script tags, I'll start by adding a jQuery document ready function. Here I am referencing the button and I am assigning it a jQuery click event handler, so that when the button is clicked, this particular event handler is triggered. Now I am referencing the issue.NET table using jQuery selector. Next I am applying the jQuery table to Excel plugin to the issue.NET table. Now I am making use of a property called file name of the table to Excel plugin. It is used to set the file name of the Excel file which will be downloaded. So that's it, the plugin has been applied. Now we can run the code and check it. The data has been successfully displayed in the issue.NET table. Now I am clicking the export button. The browser is showing the option to save the file. As you can see, issue.NET table has been exported to Excel successfully. So with this, we come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Goodbye.